How to add a logo overlay in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the timeline by dragging it from the media pool. Once it's placed in the timeline, go back to the media pool and import your logo image file, preferably in PNG format for a transparent background. Next, drag the logo image onto a track above your main video in the timeline. This will overlay the logo on top of your video content. You can stretch or trim the logo clip to match the duration you want it visible. After that, click on the logo clip in the timeline to select it. Then, open the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can adjust the position, size, and opacity of the logo. Use the zoom setting to scale it down and the position controls to move it to a corner of the screen, usually the top right or bottom right for a clean look. You can also change the composite mode in the inspector to blend the logo smoothly with your video background. If you want the logo to fade in or out, go to the beginning or end of the logo clip and drag the white handles inward to create a smooth fade effect. This helps make your logo appear more professional. Finally, if you want to animate your logo, you can use keyframes inside the inspector panel to add motion. This step is optional but adds a creative touch to your overlay. And that's it. Now you know how to add a logo overlay in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.